welcome back to Faith in Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin, and today I have a cleaning video for you guys. I'm starting off by making a cup of tea for myself and my husband. We have had so much rainy, cold weather here in Texas, so it'll be nice to sip on a cup of tea while I get some cleaning done. Today it is finally sunny, and so I'm enjoying letting all the light pour in. And we received some beautiful gifts from our friends. They brought back a whole bunch of linens for us from India, and so I'm just going to start off by ironing these placemats and some napkins, and then I'm going to redress our dining room table. After I took down all of the Christmas decor, I left a lot of the table surfaces blank for about a week or so and just kind of enjoyed having the open, clean, empty space. And now I'm ready to pull out some of the decor that I had out before Christmas and put it back and maybe change things up a little bit, but get things back in order and sort of give our home a reset after the holidays. Our friends were visiting their family in India, and we were watching their dog Odin. You probably saw him in some of my videos recently, and they brought back these beautiful linens from India, and she paid such attention to all the colors that we had in our house and pulled out a lot of those things in these linens, so I'm so excited to put these on our table and enjoy using them. In addition to the orange and red napkins, she also picked out these beautiful blue ones to coordinate with the placemats, and it was tough deciding which ones to put out first, but I'm going to go ahead and iron these and put them away so that they're ready when we're ready to use them. Before I got a chance to set the table, I heard the dryer buzzer go off, so I wanted to go ahead and get out Austin's bed. He's been under the weather lately, and he missed his bed so much, but he messed it up a little bit, and I needed to wash it, and so I knew he was waiting for it, and I wanted to get it out for him. Also washed a bunch of rags along with his bed cover, and so I wanted to pull those out, fold them, and put them away. I used cloth diapers for my boys when they were babies, and I kept all of them, and they make great cleaning rags. They have held up so well over the years, and they are so easy to clean and the perfect size. So if you guys are currently using cloth diapers, don't get rid of them when you're finished with them, and use them for rags. They will last probably a lifetime. Before setting the table, I cleaned it off with some Method Wood for Good furniture cleaner, and that is my favorite product for wood. I love the almond scent, and it does a great job. It keeps my wood in condition and clean, and I took off all of the old linens and put them in the wash. I'm loving how these linens look on our table. It really brings some color into this area. And on the table, I set out this wood tray that my sister gave us for Christmas last year. I love this for decor. And also my pomegranate and red currant candle from the Grove Collaborative. It's a soy candle, and this plant is from IKEA. In our dining room, I just need to do some dusting before I set back out some of the decor I had out before Christmas. And because there's not much on any of the tables, it's a really good time to use my Method Wood for Good to give the furniture a little bit more of a thorough cleaning. Usually I will just use my Norwex dust mitts. They do a great job, but this conditions the wood a little bit better, and I like to use it once a month or so. Put away all of these things to make room for the Christmas decor in the month of December, and now that it's January and I'm ready to have everything sort of reset, I'm really enjoying these pieces once again. This butler's pantry is in between our kitchen and dining room, and I need to give it a little bit of a dusting, and then I want to set out some of the things that I had put away for Christmas here too. Back in our great room, I have even more dusting to do, and I just cannot believe how much dust can accumulate over a week's time. We have such dark furniture, it really shows everything, but I guess at least when it looks clean, it is clean. This console table behind our couch will be the perfect spot for this table runner that coordinates with the other linens. Lots of times you guys have questions about the cleaning products that I'm using and other things that we have in our home, and so whenever possible I have tried to link them in the description box below. But recently I have opened my Amazon store, so now it's a lot easier for you guys to find those things. Just find my link in the description box below, and everything that I can think of will be in there for you guys, and hopefully you will find what you are looking for. Anytime you buy something through one of my links, you will not pay any extra, but you will be helping me by supporting our channel, and I really appreciate it. a lot of time as a family here in the living room, and so a lot of things have accumulated in here that I need to pick up and put away. While we've been spending time in here, we've been doing a lot of snacking and things while watching movies, and so it's time for me to get out the vacuum and really clean our couch and chairs of all of the crumbs that have accumulated. Planned on vacuuming the chairs as well, but I found out that my husband was in a meeting upstairs, and so I didn't want to make all of the extra noise with the vacuum, so I will just save that for later. I can still do some quiet cleaning like dusting, and then it'll be time for me to take a break and go outside with Austin. He is having such a great time thinking that I'm playing with him as I'm trying to dust. Earlier, I had moved these chairs off of the rug because, you guessed it, that's where Austin got sick this morning. So there's a little bit of a wet spot on the rug. I was able to get everything up, and I don't think there's going to be a stain, but you know, life with dogs, that's what happens. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I hope I gave you guys some good cleaning motivation. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure that when you subscribe, you tap the bell icon so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys for watching and have a great week.